this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 4. And this is number 3. So what have we done here? We've taken the common aspects of a loop and we've reordered things. For loops simply allow us to take this pattern and write it more concisely. That is all that they do. So let's look at that. Number 1, variable initialization. We usually have to initialize a variable to count how far along we are in the loop. Number 2, condition. We need to know under what condition the loop needs to stop looping. Otherwise, we have an infinite loop. Number 3, code. We need code to execute on every iteration of the loop. Otherwise, there's really no reason to have a loop in the first place. Number 4, action, which is usually incrementing our variable. So with the for loop, what we do instead is we have number 1, which is our variable initialization, followed by a semicolon, followed by our condition, which is number 2, followed by a semicolon, followed by our action, which is number 4. The thing I think that confuses people the most about for loops is the order in which things happen. If you ever have difficulty understanding for loops, you might want to screenshot this actually, honestly, because if you understand this code is doing the same thing, just in a different order.